Hi everyone, it's that time of year again. Time for my Halloween series. Halloween series 2025, and this is week 1. Today I'll be making blueberry eyeballs. What you need for blueberry eyeballs, a very simple recipe. You need fresh blueberries, rinsed and trimmed. You need water to freeze them, and I'm just using purified drinking water, so it should be clear with no minerals. You need some kind of red juice to put the eyeballs in a glass and fill them with juice so it looks like blood. I have fruit punch Capri Sun. I'm not sure if these are going to work or not. I have these round ice cube trays. I ordered them thinking that they would be big enough. I am not sure if they are or not. If the blueberries are too big, I will cut them in half. I just didn't realize they had different sizes, and I thought this was the size that I saw in the recipe. Doesn't even look like it's going to work very well. But you have a funnel to put the water in. So let's begin. I will rinse these and trim these, and I'll be right back. So I rinse them, and what you want to do is pat them dry. But I want to just show you how I'm going to trim them. You have that little knobby, and I'm just going to cut that out. Some of them have them, some don't. This one will make a good eyeball because it's smooth and round. We just need to cut this knobby off like that. So I'll dry these and then I'll actually trim them up and I'll be back. I'm going to pick and choose. I need 33 of them. I'm going to try to get the smaller ones since this is smaller, and we'll put them, see, I'm not sure how well that's going to work, but we'll put them in like that. I wish they were a little bit smaller or my wells were a little bit bigger. Now this one's not bad. It's smaller. If I could find more of that size, that would be perfect. So that's what I'm going to look for. I'm going to look for the very smallest ones, and then that way they'll fit better and make better eyeballs. Put your lid over the blueberries and snap it down. That will hold everything in place. Now my funnel looks a little bit too big. It's going to make a mess, I think. I have a dropper, but even the dropper is too big. But it may be better. And take your water. You can use whatever water you want to. If you want to use tap water, that's fine. But I want to have one that doesn't have any minerals in it. Nice and clear. And then just put your water in until it's full. And it will start to overflow if it's full. And you want them full because you want them to be eyeball shaped. All right, so I have them all filled. I hope they have, some of them has overflowed. I am taking it as that is full. I can't tell for sure, but it looks like there is the water clear up there. We'll put them in the freezer until sometime tomorrow, and then we'll add them to the juice. So the eyeballs are frozen. Hard telling to see how full they were. Then pour your red juice or your blood in your glass. And your eyeballs are going to rise to the top. Put your straw in. And let's see what Dave thinks.
This looks different.
That is blueberry eyeballs.
Blueberry ice balls.
Well, they are, but they're supposed to be blueberry eyeballs for Halloween.
Oh, they look like little eyeballs.
Good, that's the point.
Is this cherry or something?
That is Capri Sun fruit punch.
Fruit punch, okay. Well, the little eyeballs are cute. Yep. That's a fruit punch eyeball.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.